Paramount Plus sign in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can sign into Paramount Plus, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Signing into the Paramount Plus app is fairly simple. You just want to make sure that you download the Paramount Plus app from your App Store or your Play Store. Open it up, and once you open it up, this is the kind of interface that you're going to see. Right now, what you have to do from here is, you can see it says sign up. If you don't have an account, you can tap on the sign up option, or you can also watch some free episodes that they give you, or you can tap on the sign in option here. Now to sign in, all you have to do is to make sure to simply enter your email address that was associated with your Paramount Plus account. Then make sure to go ahead and then enter your password. If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap on the I icon here to view your current password. If you forgot your password and would want to reset it, tap on forgot password option, and then you can try to reset it from there. This way you'll be able to sign in to Paramount Plus. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.